beautiful people. Welcome to Chantel's Foodventures, where we bring the adventure back into your kitchen. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Today's episode is dedicated to our Chinese food lovers, and we're going to be making a General Tso Tofu. So let's get into it. The base for today's dish is going to be brown rice that I already have going in my rice cooker. So we're going to start off with our tofu. So I cubed up my tofu, and in this bag I have cornstarch with some seasonings. So we're just going to take our tofu cubes and drop it into our Ziploc bag. This is probably my favorite way to coat things because it's less cleanup and it's just easier to do. So we're gonna put these all in the bag and then give it a shake and move over to our stove that has our oil already preheating. Our oil is nice and hot, and to the side I have a paper towel lined sheet pan to catch my fried tofu once it's done, and I also have a slotted spoon to help with the frying process. So we're gonna open up our bag with our coated tofu and get a scoop of it, dusting off any extra cornstarch, and then we're going to slowly add it to our hot oil and give the tofu a fry. The goal that we're trying to achieve with our tofu is to get it nice and crispy, so I'm just going to keep on moving it around in our hot oil until we achieve that. Our tofu is fried golden, so I moved my wok out of the way, and now we're going to start on our sauce. So I have a medium pan here. I'm going to put some olive oil at the bottom, and we're going to saute up some onion and garlic. And also we're going to add some ginger. I grated my ginger. I found it to be easier that way, so we're just going to put that in as well. Our onion and garlic is now translucent, so we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients as well. So we have some vegetable broth, we have some liquid Aminos. You can also use soy sauce. We have some lemon juice, sugar, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So we're going to give this a mix and let it come to a boil. To our boiling sauce mixture, we're going to add a cornstarch slurry, which is equal parts cornstarch and equal parts water. This is going to work as our thickening agent for our sauce. The thickening actually happens relatively quickly, as you can see. So you keep stirring until you get the consistency that you would like. Our sauce is made, so we're going to move back over to our wok again to start sauteing our broccoli. So I'm starting off with some sesame oil. This is an option. You could just use regular olive oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of water. And then our broccoli. My broccoli is bright green and crunchy how I like it. So now we're going to add our tofu back into the wok. We're going to take our sauce mixture and pour it on our tofu and broccoli. Our tofu and broccoli is now coated with our sauce, so it's time to move on to plating. So I have my brown rice that I made in my rice cooker. So we're going to take that, and I'm going to put it into a small container to give it a nice shape for our plating. So I'm just going to fill it up, and then I'm going to flatten it. And then we're going to take our plate and put it on top, and then just give it a flip, giving us a nice dome shape for our rice. And then I'm going to take a nice scoop of our General Tso Tofu. And we're going to put it on the side of our rice. And there you have it, our General Tso Tofu. I hope you guys enjoyed making this recipe with me, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So cheers, and remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.